The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Oh, let's take a good look at this, I don't want you all to say that I'm lying on the PNM. I have just come back from Wrightson Road Licensing Office to renew my license, which required renewal since the beginning of the COVID lockdown, when everywhere was on lockdown and the Works and Transport, the licensing office was closed. I was on radio with Third Base and we called a number that they said to make an appointment on 6 occasions and they never answered. I eventually got an appointment. I called them, got through to them about a month and something after, in early June. The earliest appointment they gave me was August 10th. So my daughter and I were ready to go August 10th. But then an election was called by the Honorable Prime Minister. So we immediately said we can't go then. So we had to change that to August 10th appointment. The next appointment they gave us, and we called there, must be early June, it was November 19th, which is today, at 8:50 a.m. When I go on there to renew my license, check it. You see $875? This wicked, deceitful PNM government, which said to everybody, don't worry, you have until December 31st, so don't panic. You think we know COVID-19 is such a pressure and so on. You have till December 31st. Under COVID protocols, we understand that it is not your fault that you're not able to renew. It's not your fault that it's delayed. $375 fine I had to pay. I didn't argue. I just said, excuse me, that makes no sense, but y'all are the law and y'all are in charge, so I will pay. Now think about this. How many citizens are being robbed, are being fleeced of this $375? That in COVID times when people have not been working, businesses shutting down, this is what the PNM is doing. Total lies and deceit. How many people have been fined this? They say if your license expires 6 months, once it's over 6 months, you have to pay that. Yes, it expires 6 months, but it's 7-8 months of COVID lockdown where y'all were not open. I was available to renew my license every day within that 6-month period. But y'all were not open. We could not get appointment. You give us an appointment for today and then charge me. If y'all find that that is right as citizens, well, good for y'all. Next thing, my daughter and I go on, we pay. I say, I pay my money. We go on in the little room. They have a 10-foot by 10-foot room. 22 people sitting down in a room with no ventilation, air conditioned, door closed. 22 people in a 10-foot by 10-foot room. I could not thank the Lord for good people. I say, Ollie, I can't stay inside there, no. But could you please, when they call my name, just open the door and I stand up outside in the hot sun. But the government is shutting down restaurants and telling people 50% capacity and so on. But the government is putting citizens' lives at risk at Wrightson Road Licensing Office, waiting to take the picture, cramp up. No separation, no nothing. They had some employees trying their best to keep separation even from outside. There were about 95 people there at the time that I was there. And they were keeping some people outside in a line. But 6 foot, I don't know if people don't know what 6 foot is. 6 foot is not 1 foot. But the worst part is when you go in that room to go, it's putting the staff, the hardworking, pleasant staff at risk. It's putting all the citizens at risk. But yet the government coming and buffing restaurant and bar and people who going on the beach and giving man ticket on the avenue. Who going to give them the ticket for putting all our lives at risk at Wrightson Road Licensing Office? And this, how many of y'all got charged this ridiculous fine for no fault of yours? The government's incompetence, the inability to provide service, but we had to pay $375. Even though they lied to us and tell us about December 31st. Great is the PNM. Rohan, yeah boy, you're desperate for money, boy.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows something that looks like a receipt. You see what I'm saying to you? And if you listen to the video, you hear someone talking in the background of the video. And the person talking in the background of the video said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that because he did not pay for the renewal of his driver's license on time, he had to pay over $300. Now, viewers and subscribers, if you listen to some of the things said in this video and if you look at the receipt in the video, you might get the understanding that this video has something to do with the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, you see me? And the person said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that he accused the government of Trinidad and Tobago of some things. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I'm going to say some things about this video, viewers and subscribers, and I want you to please bear in mind that I am not saying that the person is lying. You understand? But I am not the one trying to say some things that happened, and I'm not the one that went through some of the things that this person said, you see me? So therefore, I'm going to tell you what I think about the person said. I'm not saying that the person is lying, you see me? But you see, if the things that this person said in this video, if it is true, then this is something that I think that should be looked into. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, and I really do. Think about this, you see me? And I'm going to say some things as an example, you see me? And you know, I'm not saying that this happened, you know, but the things that I'm about to say is just an example to make a point right here, you see me? So let's say that the government within a country, somewhere within the world, announced that they are giving extended time to the public within that country to pay certain fees for certain things like say license renewal or so forth. That's what I'm saying to you. And let's say that they did this because of the COVID-19, you see me? And if you as a citizen of that country went within that timeline to pay for whatsoever you're going to pay for and end up have to pay a late fee or a fine because I did not pay on time for whatsoever you are supposed to pay for, you see me? When the government announced and said that they are giving you the extended time because of the COVID-19. I mean, that would look bad. You see me? I hope you understand what I'm saying still now. In my point of view, I think something like that really and truly would look bad. And I think something like that should be looked into. You understand? I mean, you know, the COVID-19 caused many things to happen in different countries throughout the world. That's what I'm saying to you. And, you know, according to some things that this person had said, viewers and subscribers, you know, I get the understanding that he's saying that he did not pay his driver's license fee, or he did not renew his driver's license because of some of the things that happened because of the COVID-19. Is what I'm saying to you. And, you know, other things that he had said as well to viewers and subscribers. All right. But the thing about it is, you know, I bring this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. All right. And you can also let me know what to think about some of the things that this person said in the background of this video. All right. Now I'm going to move on to another topic right about now, viewers and subscribers. And, you know, I'm going to talk about something where it is said that a boy got mauled by dogs, you see me? And this had happened within the country of Jamaica. Now, this is somewhat of an update about the incident, you understand me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand some things that have been said in news articles out there about the incident, you see me? Now, I read one news article that said some things that gave me the understanding that that news article said that the Minister of Justice within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Delroy Chuck, had announced that the dogs that attacked and left a 5-year-old boy with many injuries, they are set to be euthanized, isn't it? Some persons might call it put down, you understand me? And the boy was hospitalized in critical condition, you see me, I said to you. And I read another news article that said some things that gave me the understanding that that news article said that the boy is recovering and that he is set to do plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that there are more information out there about the incident that happened, and I'm only telling you according to how I understand some things that have been said in these articles about the incident that happened. You understand me? Yeah, because I read one article and then I read another article. All right. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, here's where I'm going to leave it. You know, Let me know what you think about the video I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man.